Hello students, Assalamu alaikum, good morning. I'm Mrs. Pinavarunisa, your IT teacher, and today you're going to learn how to draw a cake using MS Paint.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to dear one. Happy birthday to you. From good friends and true. From old friends and new. May good luck go with you and happiness too.
So this is the way you're going to draw the candles.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
I'm going to take the 6-point star for the flame. So we are going to draw the flame. Okay, so this is a cake. Now if you want you can color it. You can draw the flame. If you want to change something, you can just simply go for undo and change it. Okay, now drawing a cupcake. I'm going to take a pentagon. I'm going to go to select and crop. I'm going to take an oval. And draw the oval. Okay, then I'm going to take the erase tool and gradually erase. once you draw the lines, fill in the color.